Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing of a few items that I got one Sunday morning. I just got up early and I went to the Houston Galleria Mall and just needed a little retail therapy in my system. So nothing really major, I guess, but just little small trinkets to add that I just feel like purchasing. But enjoy. Do a quick voiceover on this Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is actually like my first Louis Vuitton we're visiting the store in like 7-8 years or so. I've always had a bad experience in Louis Vuitton, and I kind of told myself I would never purchase from them because their sales associates have never been nice when I walk into the store. I travel for a living, so I constantly am going to like shopping centers and things like that, and it has been a constant thing. I purchased a Louis Vuitton bag for my mom for her birthday years ago, and I swore I never was gonna buy it. However, the On The Go bag, when it came out in like 2019 or whatever it was, I was like, oh my gosh, this bag is so nice. And I just remember one of my colleagues had it, and I'm like, I like this bag. However, it was too big for me. I don't carry like big totes and things, so that's the reason why I purchased the Michael Kors tote bag, because I wanted to see how I was going to like carrying a bag that size. And I love the Michael Kors tote bag, so I was like, I'm gonna go do it. And I must tell you, I had a great experience in the store at Louis Vuitton.